Today I wanted to share with you one of the more mundane things about being on vacation at Walt Disney World, and that's doing laundry. We're here at the Art of Animation Resort near the Cozy Cone pool area, and I wanted to show you the laundry facilities here. All of the laundry rooms are quite similar here at Walt Disney World, and now we have this new gadget called Change Point, where you enter in your information, use a credit or debit card to pay for and activate the washers and dryers. And they come with a detailed list of instructions here: loading the machine and your soap, making your payment using the payment methods described below, select your cycles of what you want to do before you actually start the machine. You can scan the QR code or go to laundryview.com to connect with the system. It'll give you a list of resorts to choose from, and then a sub-list of all the different laundry rooms at that resort. And you can see it's color-coded to show you what the laundry room layout is like, how much time is left on the washers and dryers, when you could come down and find one that's available, or when yours is finished its cycle. White means available, red means it's in use, and yellowish tan color means that it's got clothes still sitting in it that someone hasn't removed yet. So here we go, some more things. It's not much to it really. The other thing is that cash is hard to use for their laundry rooms now. Each hotel has maybe 2 or 3 at the most machines at one of their laundry rooms that accept cash. Here at the Cozy Cone one, I don't think any of them do, but at the Big Blue pool there were a couple that accepted cash. But they're nice quality washers and dryers. They take 30 minutes each per cycle. There's some folding areas, sanitizer, of course, and a vending machine that has soaps and laundry supplies in it, as well as a snack vending machine, so you can grab a quick snack and spend some time while you're here. And since they're located right next to the pools, you can go outside and lounge by the pool while you're waiting for your laundry to be done, which is quite nice. The vending machines also have electronic pricing and electronic payment methods. And if you don't have a card or believe in carrying a card, then you can go to guest services and purchase a prepaid laundry card for any amount that you need. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.